In this problem, we need to express arctangent of tangent 4 without any trigonometric functions. And to do that, the problem is asking us to draw all the elements here, 4, tangent 4, and arctangent of tangent 4 in one picture. We will solve this problem in two different ways, drawing two different pictures. Of course, these will be the unit circle and the graph, the two pictures that we always draw. So if we draw the unit circle, we need to understand what quadrant the angle of 4 radians will be. That is the central question here. Well, all you need to do is compare the angle of 4 with pi. Of course, pi is less than 4. I mean, pi is, in fact, less than 3.14. Well, pi is definitely less than 4. Let's not overcomplicate things. Pi is less than 4. But I also claim that 4 is less than 3/2 of 3, which is simply 9/2, which is 4.5. And of course, again, using the fact that 3 is less than pi, 3/2 times 3 is less than 3/2 times pi. One more time. Pi is between 3 and 4, that's for sure. Now 4 is less than 4.5, which I can write as 3/2 times 3. Now look at this 3/2 times 3. 3 is less than pi, so 3/2 times 3 is less than 3/2 times pi. That immediately implies that the angle of 4 is in quadrant 3. It's greater than pi and less than 3 pi over 2. All right, it doesn't really matter where that angle is. Let's say it's here. I don't mean to say this is the midpoint, but that doesn't really matter. Now, let's draw 4. So we are counting angles along the circumference. That's 4. Now, where is tangent 4? Tangent 4 is here. And now the question is, where is arctangent of tangent 4? Remember, arctangent must be an angle that possesses two qualities. So the angle arctangent of tangent 4 must satisfy two requirements. Well, first, of course, its tangent must be the same as tangent of 4. Tangent of this thing must be the same as the angle, must be the same as the tangent of the angle 4. And second, arctangent of tangent 4 must be between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. So clearly in the picture, the desired angle is this one. This one. And we immediately find that the difference between 4 and the desired angle arctangent of tangent 4 is half the revolution pi. So from the picture we find immediately arctangent of tangent 4 is 4 minus pi. Another way to solve this problem is to draw the graph of tangent and to show 4 tangent 4 and arctangent of tangent 4 in the same picture using the graph. Let's show vertical asymptotes. So our graph of tangent will look like this. That is, of course, pi over 2. That is 0. That is negative pi over 2. That is pi. That is 3 pi over 2. Another vertical asymptote. And then, as we established, 4 is between pi and 3 pi over 2. And so 4 is here. Then tangent 4 is this line. And the unique point at which this horizontal line intersects with the graph of tangent in between negative pi and pi over in between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2, so this point. Again, the line y equals tangent 4 intersects with the graph of tangent infinitely many times, but only one such point of intersection falls into the region between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. And it is the x-coordinate of that point that will be the desired arctangent of tangent 4. By symmetry, we immediately see that just like this distance between zeros is pi, this distance here is also pi. And so from here we immediately see that arctangent of tangent 4 is this distance 4 minus this distance pi. Again, this distance is 4, this distance is pi. The desired distance is their difference. So we can copy paste that. And also it's interesting to verify whether our answer satisfies these two requirements. Well, the first requirement is simple. Tangent of 4 minus pi is of course tangent 4. That is because tangent is pi periodic. The other requirement is that our answer falls between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. It's also easy to verify. We claim that 4 minus pi does belong to the interval negative pi over 2, pi over 2. Well, definitely it's positive because pi is less than 4. And so the only thing that needs to be verified is that 4 minus pi is less than pi over 2. So 4 minus pi is greater than 0 and therefore greater than negative pi over 2. And also 4 minus pi is less than pi over 2 because this is equivalent to 4 being less than pi plus pi over 2, which is 3 pi over 2. And that we know to be true. That we already explained above. So indeed, both conditions are satisfied. Our answer is in the desired range, and the tangent of our answer is the same as the tangent of our angle, tangent 4. This problem is now over.